Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage savings accounts with Capital One, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Capital One website. Log into your Capital One account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, select the option to create one. Choose savings accounts from the menu to view your options. Decide which type of savings account suits your needs best. Click on the chosen account type for more details. Review the interest rates and fees associated with that account. If you wish to open an account, click the Open Account button. Fill out the required personal information form accurately. Provide your social security number if prompted. Set your account preferences, including online access and notifications. Once submitted, review your application details before finalizing. After your account is established, access your account dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the available features. Check your balance regularly to monitor your savings. Use the transfer feature to move money between accounts. Schedule automatic transfers if you want to build savings consistently. Set savings goals within your account for specific targets. Utilize the budgeting tools Capital One offers for better financial planning. Access your account statements to track your progress over time. Contact customer support if you encounter any issues. Secure your account by enabling two-factor authentication. Always log out after completing your session to protect your information. Review your savings strategy periodically to ensure it aligns with your goals. Stay updated on any changes to interest rates or account features. By managing your savings account effectively, you can maximize your savings potential. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.